Hey guys, this is Rishika from BeetleBite.com. Hope you are doing well at home during this lockdown. So, ever wondered when you go out to travel, you have to carry so many cables and so many chargers, one for your laptop, one for your phone, and maybe a tablet? Here we are with the perfect product for this. We have two products that AMX has launched, one the cable and the charger. You just need to carry these two products and you can charge any device from these. And they're quite affordable. This cable comes from for $8.99 and this charger comes for $15.99. I'm really excited to see what's it like. So let's see. So here are the two products. I'm so excited to see what's inside it. Let's start. I think we'll start with the charger first. So, as you can see, 45-watt power delivery and a C-type USB. It has 3 ports for charging. So, let's go into unboxing it. So, here it is, the charger and the connector. So, as you can see, there are 3 A-type charging ports over here and 1 C-type over here. It's a hybrid charger. And this is the connector for the charger. Let's open it. So, let's see the connector. So I guess this is the American type plug. If you are traveling somewhere and you want to charge your phone or something, so you can connect it to an American plug too. So yeah. Okay, so here is the charger. So it's a traveling adapter and the XP60 model and a type C. So yeah. So as you can see, this is a glossy thing, so it might get scratched up, but we'll have to see how it takes up over the time. So now let's just keep the charger aside and look at the USB. So AMX Infiniti X. As you can see, USB 3.1 Gen 2 C2C charge port. So yeah, let's start with it. So this is the cable we have over here. Let's take it out. This cable actually, it supports accessories like monitors and your MacBooks and everything. So it's just one cable that you carry everywhere. So over here we have it. Now let's open it. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a C2C charging port, and it has power delivery support. That means you can charge your MacBooks with it. 100-watt power delivery. I guess that's pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty long as well. If you want to sit somewhere on the bed and you're charging, that cable is somewhere else, so you can just put it, and it's a long cable. It will reach to your bed, I guess. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more updates to BeetleBite.com. We'll be coming shortly with the detailed review of these products and other products too. You can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. And please like, comment and share on our video so that we can know about your views on it too. Thank you.